Hello friends, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Friends, if you have failed in the subject costing and you want to pass in the next attempt, then myself, Professor CA Devangi Shah, is here to help you out. Friends, let me tell you, now our Inter-CA costing crash course is also available in only English language for the students, those who can't understand Hindi. And what exactly is there in this crash course? Friends, there will be 37 hours lectures which will cover all your concepts. Remember, we are crashing on time, not on any concept or any chapter. Right, friends? So 100% coverage will be there. And out of this 37 hours, friends, we will be taking a live session for 2 hours on 2nd of March at 7 p.m. Okay, friends, please set a reminder. 2 hours live on 2nd March at 7 p.m. And this live will be on our app, Costing by Devangi, which is available in your Play Store and App Store. Friends, if you have not downloaded it yet, please download it, set a reminder, and do attend this live session, which will be free. Okay? This 2 hours will be completely free. Friends, along with this 37 hours course, you also get a colorful book which will make your learning more interesting. The lectures and the book, they give you input and the knowledge that you require for the subject. But what is more important is the output that you generate in the exam paper. I always believe that the test series should be integral part of any course that I offer. Hence, in my crash course, I have included this test series which comprises of total 9 tests, 6 unit tests, 2 semesters and 1 mock test paper, just as ICI sets the paper. All these papers will be personally prepared and checked by me, and you will be mentored on what is your mistake and how you can improve on it. We can have a one-to-one conversation. Friends, this is all I have for you, and I am sure the lectures, book and the test series together will help you pass this attempt. Let this attempt be your last attempt, and let crash course be the reason for passing. So friends, do not forget to attend the live session. Download the app now and just message me that you want to attend the live session. Friends, you will be updated with the notifications through the app. Okay? Thank you so much, and I'm waiting for you in the live session. Thank you.